Hi, I'm Maxi. Welcome to a new episode of Fitness Kitchen. Today we are gonna make a savory protein pancake with veggies and cured hams. Basically, we are upgrading a side salad into a small pizza. But it's high in protein and we are not gonna use any oil. So if you happen to be tired of just drinking your protein powder every day, try use them to make this. Now let's get started. First, let's mix the batter base. The key ingredient is this: unflavored whey protein powder. We need 20 grams of this. And then 15 grams of almond flour. This is the amount of around 10 nuts. It's how much of the healthy nutty fat you need in a day. It helps you burn fat and it makes the pancake taste better. But if you are allergic to nuts, you can replace it with normal wheat flour. Your pancake will taste a little differently, but still good. Okay, then 35 grams of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. These 4 ingredients combined are my batter base for all protein pancakes. And for this one specifically, that's it. We don't need to add anything else. All the flavors of this recipe are gonna be in the toppings. Now mix all the flours thoroughly and then put them aside. Now we prepare the veggies. I'm using kales here, because they are almost the most nutritious leaves you can get. But of course, you can use other leafy veggies. Choose some that you like and easy to get. Anyway, we need this much of them, usually around 50 grams. This is how much the pancake can hold. Get rid of the stems if you're using kales like I do. This part doesn't do well in this recipe, and they are hard to chew. Now we need to slice the leaves a little bit to make them easy to stay on the pancake. And after that, we can season the veggies. Crush 2 garlic cloves. This way you can get most of fresh garlic flavor. But like I said in another video of this series, if it's too much trouble for you, you can use 1 teaspoon of garlic powder instead. Then half a teaspoon of light soy sauce. Then half a teaspoon of balsamic vinegar. And a little black pepper, suit your taste. And that's it. Now mix them. Okay, set it aside. Now we can prepare the batter. We need 85 milliliters of whole milk, and then 5 milliliters of lemon juice to balance its flavor. So in total we have 90 milliliters of liquid. Mix the liquid with the powders and stir them to mix them thoroughly. After they are nicely mixed, pour them onto a plate. And now we need to preheat this batter to make it set a little bit so that it can hold anything on it. We are gonna do this in the microwave. Put a pot holder under it. This way it will be easy to get it out of the microwave. And now, if you are using a normal 900 watts microwave, heat it at max power for half a minute. If you are using a weaker 700 watt one, heat it for 1 minute. Okay, after the preheating, you can see the batter already set a little bit. Then scatter the veggies on top. Tap them gently so they sink slightly into it. Okay, after the veggies, now we can strip the hams onto it. I'm using 2 pieces of prosciutto, they are around 25 grams. You can use any cured hams that you prefer. Actually, when I was in London, I used to use Serrano for this. I like Serrano better. But now here, where I live in China, prosciutto is the only kind I can get. But anyway, use 25 grams of the ham that you like and easy to get. Okay, after this, it's ready for the microwave. Put a pot holder under it. This will make it easy to get out of the microwave. Microwave it at max power for 4 minutes in a normal 900 watts microwave. Or for 5 minutes if your microwave is a weaker 700 watts one. 4 minutes later, the pancake is cooked. You can already eat it like this if you don't mind the color. Well, microwave is a great way of cooking, but it doesn't brown things, it just can't. So what I would do here is to use an air fryer to quickly brown it. To transfer the pancake, first shuffle the edge all around, then you can easily shove the whole thing up. Put it into the air fryer and heat it at 200 degrees Celsius or around 392 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. And as for this plate, if you don't want to wash it now, put it under water. Then you can easily wipe anything off when you get back to it. Okay, 5 minutes later, our little salad pancake is done, perfectly browned. Now, to finalize it, Let's scatter 1 generous tablespoon of unsweetened yogurt on top. When I say 1 generous tablespoon, I mean more than 1 tablespoon. And then drizzle another half a teaspoon of balsamic vinegar. Aim at the yogurt for the best visual effect. And it's done, our final product. Now, time for the nutrition facts. Each one of these has around 467 kcals of calories, 36.5 grams of protein, 38.5 grams of carbs, 18.5 grams of fat, and 715 milligrams of sodium. You can taste the salty, crispy hams and refreshing sourness at the same time, held together by the pancake. It's really a nice sensation. And that's the recipe of today. I have put all the statistics down below in the description. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And also, welcome to follow me on Instagram. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking, take care.